In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Whop affiliate and start earning. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, pick the right offers, share your link, and start tracking real results. First, head over to Whop, create your account, and log in. The sign up is quick, and logging in gives you access to all the tools you'll need as an affiliate. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the sidebar and open the affiliates section. This is your hub for discovering offers, getting your referral link, and monitoring your performance. Next, browse the available affiliate offers. Take your time here and explore different products you can promote. Look closely at the commission rate to understand how much you'll earn per sale, the product type to make sure it fits your audience, and the popularity to gauge demand. A helpful tip is to align offers with topics you already talk about or communities you're part of. That way your recommendations feel natural and your conversions tend to be stronger. When you find a product that makes sense, click into it and select Join Affiliate Program. Some programs approve instantly, while others may take a short time to review your request. Keep an eye on your notifications so you don't miss the approval. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official link to Whop at the very top of the description. Use that link to go straight to the site and follow along step by step. Once you're approved, you'll see your unique referral link. Copy it and keep it handy. This link is how Whop tracks your clicks and sales, so make sure you always share the correct one. If you change offers later, remember to update your links wherever you've posted them. Now it's time to promote. Share your link on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Discord, wherever your audience is most active. Add context in your posts or videos so people understand the product's value, and invite them to check it out through your link. Consistency matters here. Aim for helpful content instead of spam, and be transparent that it's an affiliate link if required by your platform. To see what's working, return to your affiliates dashboard. Here you can monitor clicks, sales, and earnings. Use this data to refine your content and focus on what converts best. Finally, as sales come in through your link, you'll earn commissions. Review Whop's payout details so you know when and how you'll get paid. That's it. You've successfully become a Whop affiliate and you're ready to start earning. Thanks for watching.